Are you ready for a warm cup of countdown? Today, there are about 3,000 kinds of tea across the globe. I'm drinking English breakfast as we speak. Can you guess which country drinks the most? And no, it isn't England. It's Turkey, with an average of almost 3 kilograms of tea per person each year. It's a good thing tea is so cheap. Or is it? Do you realize just how expensive tea can be? Is it more expensive than the new 1 terabyte iPhone you're craving? Or more expensive than a trip around the world? All right, it's time to quit teasing you and get to the last drop of these delicious liquids. These are the most expensive teas. Legend has it that centuries ago, a Chinese emperor was sitting down to enjoy some yummy boiled drinking water when a strong wind blew some tree leaves into the drink. The emperor tried the concoction, because he's fun like that. To his delight, it tasted better than boiled water. Go figure. And so, tea was invented, thanks to the Camellia sinensis tree. Since those days, the price of tea has seriously ballooned. And today, we're counting down the world's top 5 most expensive teas. Number 5. Tieguanyin Tea. While you can find a less expensive version, the premium blend is anything but cheap. At $3,000 per kilogram. Is it any wonder that this tea is named after the Buddhist goddess of mercy? First, the leaves are put in the sun until they wither even worse than your bank account. The tea tastes like a mixture of black and green tea with a hint of chestnut. The reason it's so expensive is because you can reuse the leaves up to 7 times before they lose their flavor. So, it's really an ongoing investment. Number 4. Vintage Narcissus Wuyi Oolong Tea. Hopefully you won't have to order it in a hurry. Remember the Greek god Narcissus? He was so beautiful he fell in love with his own reflection. And that's who this tea is named for. Costing $361 per kilogram, you'd have to really love yourself to splurge on this tea. Like a fine wine, this tea's wooden, chocolatey, and floral flavor improves with age. A collection of this tea was aged for 50 years, and in 2014, it sold at auction for over $130,000. I'm sure its flavor had notes of reckless spending, too. Number 3. PG Tips Diamond Tea Bag. This is not just a name. This is a tea bag that cost $15,000 in 2005. The bag has 280 diamonds on it and hangs from a white gold chain. And the tea inside is not cheap either. It's Mackay Bari Estates Silver Tips Imperial Tea. And the company states it only harvests the tea in season during days and nights with a full moon. Don't worry, as it was created for a good cause. The tea bag was sold to raise money for the Royal Manchester Children's Hospital. Number 2. Panda Dung Tea. Already skeptical? Roughly translated as panda poop tea, the tea for this hot, steaming beverage came on the market in 2012 at $70,000 per kilogram. The tea trees are fertilized with dung from nearby breeding centers. You know that pandas eat nutritious bamboo, but a lot of the vitamins and minerals stay in the panda's poop, making it very high-quality fertilizer. And let's face it, how many farmers use panda poop to fertilize anything? That's what makes tea grown with panda excrement so expensive. And the number 1 most expensive, never qualify for a loan again bag of leaves is Da Hong Pao Tea. This tea cost $1.2 million per kilogram. It's a type of oolong tea that's more expensive than gold. Why, you may be screaming? Because the leaves come from a mother tree. There are only 6 of these majestic trees left in the world. Their roots can detect stress signals in other trees and send them nutrients. And in their twilight years, they pass all their resources down to their children. The tea made from mother tree leaves have a number of medicinal benefits, including antioxidants to aid the immune system. Mother trees are essential hubs that support entire forests in their interconnected webs of roots. So this Mother's Day, Hug a tree. Do you have expensive tastes? I believe you do. Check out your guide to caviar up next on Origins of Food.